xy. Okay, so AB is this line over here and CD is this line. The transversal is this line xy. Okay, MOP is a straight line. MOP is this diagonal over here. And if given that OM equals to ON, it's already indicated on the diagram. Okay, angle AMN and CNY is equals to 90 and OPM is equals to 1 degrees. So all the information that has been given is already placed in the diagram. We want to take note that we should not take for granted that all the information in the question is always found here. Sometimes things will actually be missing. Okay? So in this question, we want to find out what is angle MON, which is this angle over here. Okay? So how do we find out what is the value of the angle? Okay, let us think for a while. How can we find the value of the angle over there? You all want to answer or I call a name? Okay, I call a name, huh? Okay, Christian. Okay, I think Tracy was so. Okay. Okay. Yeah, where Tracy outside? Christian is. Okay. So Tracy, could you give us an idea of how to answer this question? Wait, which angle is vertically opposite angle? MNP. So this is 90 degrees. Okay, so it says the angle MNP equals 90 degrees due to vertically opposite angles. Right? Then over there, sorry, your hand not a laser pointer. So can you tell me which NMP? Yeah, this one label like before, so specific, okay? And PMN. Okay. PMN equals to 180 minus 31 minus 90. Okay, and that will give us 59. Right? Okay. And the reason is angle sum of triangle. Okay. So she found this angle over here. Wait, by looking at this big triangle here. Okay. Okay, so it's an isosceles triangle, so this other angle is also 59 degrees. And how we would present that, is MNO equals to 59 degrees, base angles of isosceles triangle. Okay, and then we can find out what is the unknown. Okay, yes, everyone. Sorry, check the direction of both. Okay, and then we will get 64 degrees angle sum of triangle. Okay, thank you very much, you see. Alright. Okay, any questions regarding this set of method that has been proposed? Are we all clear about how she got the answer? Okay. Anybody would like to propose a different method? Yes. Let's see. Okay, hang on. So since angle AMN equals to angle CNY, okay, then AB is parallel to CD due to alternate angles parallel, corresponding angles. Parallel lines form. Okay, then BMP, this one. Okay, what about it? Equals to 31 degrees. Okay, sure BMP equals to 31 degrees alternate angles parallel lines. Okay, so I'm not sure whether you can see, but since they are parallel, this is 31 degrees because there's a Z shape over here. Okay, and then I suppose that will be that 90 degrees minus away is 31 degrees. Okay, so she will then find out what is angle PMN by taking 90 degrees minus away 31. Okay, and that will give us 59 degrees. Okay, then after that, the remaining steps will continue, right? So this process is in replacement of this process. Okay, the remaining steps will remain the same as this, right? Okay, well, I'm not sure whether is it a small, shorter set of steps, okay, but I want to say that, okay, it is definitely good that you do not take for granted that AB and CD are actually parallel lines. Okay, that if you want to use any parallel lines property, you need to verify it, okay, using one of the 3 parallel lines property, okay, before we actually use any of the properties to find angles. Right? Questions? Okay. Any other alternatives that you would like to propose? Okay, so let's see this side one, right? Okay, let's move on, shall we? Okay. Let's take a look at question 7. Okay, in question 7, when I was going through this in another class, they were like, Harlow diagram, how? Okay, so please not take for granted that every time when it comes to angle question, a diagram will automatically be given to you. Okay, in fact, in this case, it is a very simple, okay, situation that we're looking at. We just look at a triangle ABC. It doesn't matter, okay, how your triangle is going to look like. We can just draw our own triangle. Just draw something that is probably scaling. Okay, don't limit yourself to an isosceles triangle or an equilateral triangle, because that may lead you to actually assume certain things and then make certain errors. Okay, so draw a scaling triangle. In this case, you can label anyhow you like also. Okay, then the question says the angle BAC is 53 degrees, so this is supposed to be 53. Since this diagram is only meant for referencing purposes, okay, it need not be drawn to scale, it need not be drawn accurately. Right? So then after that, the question also says angle ACB is 28 degrees. Okay? The challenge here is, the question says if AB is produced D. Okay, so AB is over here. Okay, what it means by produced D, it means that it is being extended. Okay, so after B it is being extended. So we extend this line and it must be a straight line. Okay, so this is a straight line and D is going to be found here. The question wants us to find out what is this angle here. Okay, so the moment you can draw this diagram, you will find that actually finding angle CBD is not that a difficult task. Right? Okay, I'm not sure whether you can see it. How would angle CBD be found? It only requires us one step. Call a name, yeah? Okay, Evan. I think you forgot his name. Yes, Evan. 53 plus 28, and the property you are using is exterior angle of triangle. Okay, so you will be getting 81 degrees. Okay, exterior angle of triangle. Okay. Questions? I'm not sure whether you can see it, but this is a straight line, right? It's a triangle, so these are interior angles. This one is facing outside, okay, and opposite to the 2 angles, 2 interior angles. So this is the exterior angle of the triangle. Right? Okay, if there are no questions, homework, exercise 11A, just they would like this to be submitted by Thursday this